Drank an entire bottle of Dayquil and NyQuil at the same time. I must be out of my damn mind, slap up a damn mime cause he couldn't move after snorting a few lines and trying to do his job at the same time. I say so much crazy shit you'll have to look it up on Wikipedia, but then again that's the same shit they use to lie to you, like the media. I'm so crazy I should have been born with my head inverted, snorting powdered detergent, jacking off to a picture of myself. Yeah, I'm that perverted. Social conditioning won't work with me, I can't think gay. So I'm a straight grab him by the pussy. Trump said it was okay. I bet y'all ain't get that. Macaulay Culkin, your bitch. I fuck her to sleep and leave her home alone. Somebody hold the phone. I think half of all of Hollywood celebrities are trannies and clones. So when the Illuminati knocks on my door and tries to shoot, it's not me. It's my twin brother. Do you copy? I crash a van through your house cause I'm Wilder. Punch Mike Tyson in the face for $1 million. Then run fast while wishing you don't catch me slipping cause I don't want to feel the wrath he inflicted on Robin Givens. I'm wild and twisted, sick and demented. If you send me to hell, the devil himself will tell you it was a mistake, they never meant it. The black devil is here, but I don't need red skin and a pitchfork to instill fear. I find pleasure in teasing a recovering drug addict with a blunt and like 10 beers. Call her my ex, convince her I still miss her. Till she show up back in my life, I diss her and dismiss her. Then fuck with her twin sister. No more drama, headaches, heartaches, or arguing now. Fuck a relationship type of bitch, I went MGTOW. You can't change female nature, that's why they're all the same. They're born with it, but men gotta learn the game. It's true, but it sounds insane. But I know plenty of chicks now with a boyfriend, girlfriend, or both, creeping, eating pussy and dick till they choke. Then go back to their partner like I love you, baby. No joke. Give a fuck what a bitch thinks, cause most of y'all pussies stink, cause you done been ran through more than water in a damn sink. Call me an asshole, I love it. Take 'em, I love yous and shove it. Cry no more tears in a bucket, I'm no longer used as a puppet. Used to be the nice guy, but that shit ain't fly. I used to wonder why I did everything right and she was still never satisfied. I got my feelings hurt more times than a blind guy trying to see J-Lo having sex with Wesley Snipes. I bet y'all ain't get that either. Now I tell him shut the fuck up, bitch, and take this pipe. Or get the fuck out. Ain't no cuddling tonight. You wanna date me, chick? You're gonna be waiting a long time, so sit back and watch as I fuck this Mexican bitch from behind while sipping a Corona with lime. I never thought that being a bad guy was the way to go. Now it brings me all the hoes, but I've been so tired of bitches lately. They could pull their titties out, ask me to suck them, and I'll be like, no. Half these bitches ain't real. Hair, titties, ass, makeup, damn, this is what we get from their end of the deal? Fuck it, I'd rather be alone and chill. Beat my meat, have something to eat, play video games until I fall asleep. You can call me weak, I call it peace. Of mine, that is. Thank God that I don't have no kids, cause the state can't get a woman shit once I call it quits. So if you say you care about men, you're only fooling yourselves, again. You're only after our wealth, don't care for our health, you just care for self. You all just want to control our trust, so fuck feminism. You'll never get permission from the government to be equal to us. And if you do, you're fucked, cause all it's gonna do is give men the right for women to get touched. And I don't mean sexually. I mean when you continue yapping off at the mouth and the guy backhands you so hard when you have your hands in his face and your blood splatters all over the place. Then when you're in the courtroom waiting for the man to get punished, he's gonna laugh when the judge tell you this what you wanted. While he walks out all cocky cause he's about to get blunted. MGTOW. Oh yeah, for all you corny rappers out there, I do this with ease. And I ghostwrite. Artists, fuck with me.